सुन लिया तो हम रिटर्न सबमिशन को नहीं देखेंगे।
आप,
नहीं, ये हमारे लिए हम नहीं करेंगे।
आपकी
हाँ,
आप जैसा उचित समझे, मेरा धर्म था।
नहीं, नहीं, हम मनरेगा के मजदूर नहीं है कि गड्ढा खोदेंगे फिर उसी को मिट्टी भरेंगे। हमने आपको सुन लिया, उसके बाद हमें रिटर्न सबमिशन नहीं देखेंगे। आई एम मेकिंग इट वेरी क्लियर। कॉलेज में अगर लड़का थर्ड ईयर में फेल हो जाता है, फर्स्ट ईयर वाला लड़का ग्रेजुएट करके नौकरी भी पा लेता है, थर्ड ईयर में जो फेल हुआ उसको सीनियर ही
और अनफॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ नहीं लगता।
कल आपका कंडक्ट हमने नोट किया था, 25,000 रुपए कॉस्ट जमा करा दिया आप?
जी मतलब जमा करा दी।
हाँ।
मतलब कोई जानबूझ के मैंने कोई
ऐसे नहीं, वो तो हम सब समझते हैं। हम उतने साल वहां नहीं गुजारे जितने आपने गुजारे, लेकिन काफी साल गुजारे। फाइल इंदौर से नहीं आ पाई भी, अंडरस्टैंड। क्या करना है सर इसको?
उसके बाद तो मैं क्या बोलूंगा। मतलब
क्या मैटर है ये?
this is to challenge the order passed by the debt recovery tribunal.
डेब्ट रिकवरी ट्राइब्यूनल।
जी मिले।
हाँ, इसकी तो अपील होती है।
Yes. But here is a matter which is absolutely without jurisdiction.
Still, this point can be raised in appeal.
And it can certainly be raised, my lord. But your lordships are not bereft of power, my lord. There is enough law.
No. We are aware and conscious of our authority.
No, my lord. I am saying there is enough law by Supreme.
But
sorry,
we would not like to usurp the powers of the DRAT.
No, I am not, my lord. Therefore, there was a need to argue. Matter was once heard. Finally, it was reserved for judgment, my lord. And the judgment could not be passed for some reason which are not known, my lord. Matter was discharged, and thereafter.
When was it released?
My lord, if your lordship sees the order sheet dated 30th of July 2024, my lord, it was reserved on 28th of February 2024. And it was released on July 30th, 2024, my lord.
But we are of the prima facie opinion that this matter deserves to go before DRAT.
No, my lord, I am yet to argue the matter, my lord. My lord, the
No.
issue which is involved, my lord, authority which is working as a debt recovery tribunal under a special statute, my lord, cannot pass an order without jurisdiction, my lord. If there is an error in order, that's okay, my lord. There is some fault with the order, that's okay, my lord. One has to go to appeal, my lord. But if somebody is passing an order for which it has no jurisdiction at all, then, my lord, one cannot be forced to go in appeal, alternative remedy, which is a very rigorous remedy, my lord.
Judgment bata dijiye.
My lord, the judgment I have uploaded yesterday, my lord. If your lordship can find those judgments. One of the judgment, my lord, is PHR Invent Education Society. This is the last judgment in the bunch which I have uploaded, my lord.
Yes.
My lord has got it, my lord.
Yes.
Your lordship may come to para 29 of that judgment, my lord. My lord, this judgment has examined all the earlier law which is available on the subject of alternative remedy. My lord has come to para 29, my lord. Yes, my lord. It could thus clearly be seen that the court has carved out certain exceptions when a petition on Article 226 of the Constitution could be entertained in spite of availability of alternative remedy. Some of them are thus where the statutory authority has not acted in accordance with the provisions of the enactment in question. This is precisely my issue, my lord. Here the matter is, Debt Recovery Tribunal says take the management of a running college. Debt Recovery Tribunal orders to the bank, take the management of a running college. For taking management of a running college, there is a specific provision which is contained in section 15 of Securitization Act, under which no action has been taken by the bank till date, my lord. Your lordship wants to see section 15, my lord? Yes, my lord. Till date, bank has not taken any action under section 15, my lord. My lord said what, my lord? In case the borrower fails to discharge his liability in full within the period specified in subsection 2, the secured creditor may take recourse to one or more of the following measures to recover his secured debt, namely A, take possession of the secured asset of the borrower, including the right to transfer by way of a lease, assignment or sale for realizing the secured asset. B, now this is very important, my lord. Take over the management of the business of the borrower, including the right to transfer by way of a lease, assignment or sale for realizing the secured asset. So it is the management. So there are two ways, my lord, to take possession in the event in compliance. Sorry, my lord. Yes, my lord. You, my lords, have understood. Now, my lord, your lordship may come to section 14 for a minute.
In a situation where order is under 13(1)(a), order is under 13(1)(a),
I am obliged to your lordship, my lord. I am deeply obliged to your lordship, my lord. Now come to 15, my lord. My lord has understood the issue, my lord. Now, straight away, my lord, I'll invite your lordship's attention to the impugned order, my lord, and show to your lordship, my lord, how DRT directs to take management, my lord, for which there is no action taken by the bank at all. There is an order which is passed by the district magistrate, my lord, which is under section 14. Under section 15, no order has been passed, no action has been passed, my lord, till date. I'll show only one page, my lord, to convince your lordship, my lord. And all other issues have not been decided, have been left open. Still, I've been slapped with an order to deposit money. Otherwise, it has been said management can be taken and let the bank operate the college. Para 24 your lordships have come.
जी।
जी। आवेदक बैंक की जो यह आशंका है कि उत्तरवादी बैंक संस्था को लॉक कर देगा तो विद्यार्थियों के अध्ययन कार्य में व्याधान उत्पन्न हो जाएगा। इस विषय में उत्तरवादी अधिवक्ता श्री वर्मा द्वारा अभिकरण से स्पष्ट किया है कि उत्तरवादी बैंक आवेदक संस्था के मैनेजमेंट को अधिग्रहण करेगा, महाविद्यालय में लॉक नहीं किया जाएगा। अर्थात आवेदक पक्ष की इस आशंका का समाधान उत्तरवादी अधिवक्ता के जवाब से हो जाता है कि उत्तरवादी बैंक महाविद्यालय को लॉक नहीं करेगा बल्कि प्रबंधन का प्रभार लेगा ताकि अध्ययन कार्य सुचारू रूप से संचालित हो सके। देन my lord, the DRT says, my lord, you deposit 1.50 crore, otherwise this taking over possession would not be stopped. And then in paragraph 5, my lord,
पैराग्राफ
sub paragraph 5 of para 25, my lord,
28 जी।
आवेदक पक्ष द्वारा जमा की गई राशि का अंतिम निराकरण इस आवेदक के 27 मिनट। साथ ही उत्तरवादी बैंक पर यह शर्त होगी कि यदि उत्तरवादी बैंक महाविद्यालय के प्रबंधन का भौतिक आधिपत्य लेता है तो महाविद्यालय में अध्ययनरत विद्यार्थियों का अध्यापन कार्य को उसी स्थिति में निरंतर रखेगा जिस स्थिति में आधिपत्य लेने के पूर्व संचालित था। Absolutely without authority of law, my lord. There is no action at all which is taken under section 15, my lord. How bank would operate the college, my lord?
ठीक ठीक
So therefore, my lord, my submission is that this writ petition is perfectly maintainable, and my lord, this honorable court has intervened in such a matter, my lord, wherein debt recovery tribunal has not decided the issues and has slapped the applicants with the deposit. In such circumstances, my lord, 3 coordinate benches have intervened, my lord. Even those judgments I have placed along with that compilation. If your lordship permits, I'll show them.
serial number
Sorry, yes, my lord. First, your lordship may see serial number 5, my lord, Carnival Films Private Limited. जो कार्निवल वाला जजमेंट है, my lord, उसके पैराग्राफ नंबर 11 को रेफर करना चाहता हूं, my lord. My lords have got it, my lord.
जी।
So far as objection of alternative remedy is concerned, suffices to say that since a pure question of law is raised before us, in the light of recent judgment of the Supreme Court in Godrej Sarali, we are not inclined in this round to relegate the petitioner to avail the remedy of appeal. Pertinently, the Indore bench in so-and-so has also entertained the petitions despite availability of alternate. Sorry, my lord.
Now, after coming into effect of this PHR invent, which is the judgment subsequent to this judgment, are we required to
No,
look
no,
into any of the judgments of the High Court?
No, my lord, I said, my lord, the coordinate bench.
See, now the scope has been well defined by this PHR invent. You
Very well.
already read that PHR invent.
Very well.
Once PHR invent has come into force,
Very well.
and that is the binding law on us.
Very well.
Are we required to see?
So I would not refer those judgment, those 3 judgments.
Issue is now very short.
All right, my lord.
Issue is very short.
All right.
That in the light of PHR invent, whether the DRT was authorized to hand over the management of the educational institution to the bank, and whether the bank is competent enough to oversee the management of an educational institution.
I'm grateful to your lordship. My lord, I'm closing my argument by making one, bringing one fact to your lordship's notice, my lord. Written submissions were filed, my lord, after the matter was argued finally, in which 2 judgments have been along with the written submissions filed, my lord. And at that time, my lord, Mr. Justice Mishra was also party to this hearing, my lord, with my lord, Mr. Justice Dharmadhikari, my lord. That may be taken into cognizance, my lord.
No. जब हमने सुन लिया तो हम रिटर्न सबमिशन को नहीं देखेंगे।
आप-
नहीं, ये हमारी हम नहीं करेंगे।
आपकी,
हाँ,
आप जैसा उचित समझे, मेरा धर्म था
नहीं,
आपके।
नहीं, हम मनरेगा के मजदूर नहीं है कि गड्ढा खोदेंगे फिर उसी को मिट्टी भरेंगे। हमने आपको सुन लिया, उसके बाद हमें रिटर्न सबमिशन नहीं देखेंगे। आई एम मेकिंग इट वेरी क्लियर। आपको अगर नई बहस करनी थी तो आप हमारे 10 मिनट बचाते, हम रिटर्न सबमिशन देख के ऑर्डर पास कर देते।
My lord,
Let it be.
is it not my duty to bring it to the notice of your lordship, my lord?
Is your duty, therefore.
I have brought it to the notice of your lordship, now that's it.
We are also.
It is absolutely up to your lordship whether your lordship wants to rely or your lordship doesn't want to rely.
We'll-
Your lordship wants to read or your lordship doesn't want to read.
We will
But it was simply my duty, my lord, to bring it to the notice of your lordship in the first round.
Mr. Verma.
Written submissions have been filed.
Yes,
My lord, firstly, my lord, the judgment cited by my senior, my lord, PHR. I am also relying upon the same judgment.
Now he's senior, my lord. I am no more his senior, my lord.
see, कॉलेज में
जी।
अगर लड़का थर्ड ईयर में फेल हो जाता है,
जी
फर्स्ट ईयर वाला लड़का ग्रेजुएट करके नौकरी भी पा लेता है,
जी
थर्ड ईयर में जो फेल हुआ उसको सीनियर ही कहा
और
जाता है।
अनफॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ नहीं लगता, my lord. मुझे I distinctly remember one day I prayed to your lordship, my lord, please mark the appearance of my friend also with me. My lord said, गाउन ले आओ, फिर करेंगे, उससे पहले नहीं करेंगे. Keeping that in mind, I said, my lord, now he is senior. I am no more senior to him.
अभी PHR
I'm sorry, my lord.
PHR देखते हैं।
Para 38, my lord, of the FCC, I'm Supreme Court
Para?
criticized, my lord.
पैरा
Para 38.
38, yes.
It has, however, been clarified that the High Court will not entertain a petition under Article 226 of Constitution if an effective alternative remedy is available to the aggrieved person or the statute under which the action is complained of has been taken itself contains a mechanism for redressal of grievance. Undisputedly, the present case would not come under any of the exceptions as carved out by this honorable court and so and so. We are therefore of the considered view that the High Court has grossly erred in entertaining and allowing the petition under Article 226.
सत्यवती टंडन is the
Yes, my lord, उसको rely करके काफी criticize किया है कि 226 should not be availed.
चलिए।
So how this is in my learned friend's favor, my lord, I fail to understand. Secondly, my lord,
That is his right. If
Yes.
his client has asked him to argue.
No, Lord, I'll show Satyavati Tandon and exceptions which are carved out in Satyavati Tandon.
We are not reopening.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. my lord.
What we are only saying that it is your right.
Yes,
to argue
yes,
for
it
your
is.
client and
My
you
right
cannot
and my
contain that.
duty as well, my lord. Yes, please.
Yes.
so my lord, next, my lord, 13.4 has been relied upon. My lord, may I clarify the legal position also? This says, in case the borrower fails to discharge his liability in full within the period specified in subsection 2, the secured creditor may take recourse of one or more. Kindly note this.
That we have noted. That we have already.
So, my lord, I can
जब ये
proceed
पढ़
under-
रहे थे तभी हमने नोट
Yes,
कर लिया था.
this is in a nutshell, my lord, my case, my lord.
Yes, ठीक है. Thank you.
So I can proceed under B and I can also proceed under A, my lord.
ठीक है. Thank you. See the order.
My lord, just a fact, my lord. Again, it is my duty to inform to your lordship, my lord. I have Satyavati Tandon also I have uploaded, my lord. I have given paragraph number 46, wherein there are 3 exceptions carved out in Satyavati Tandon, my lord. Satyavati Tandon के para 46 में there are 3 exceptions. वो जो तीनों exception है, my lord, वो बाबूराम प्रकाश चंद्रा, वर्लपूल और हरभजन सिंह के जजमेंट में रिफर्ड है, my lord. सत्यवती टंडन ने ये तीनों जजमेंट को रेफर किया कि इन 3 कंडीशंस में अगर एक भी कंडीशंस फुलफिल होती है तो 226 कैन बी एंटरटेन्ड. One of the condition in that is, my lord, that there is an order which has been passed, your lordship rightly said, in excess of the jurisdiction, my lord. So here is a matter, my lord, wherein the DRT has passed an order under section, which is effectively under section 15, for which absolutely no publication, no notice, no 13.2, no 13.4, no 13.4 even to take an action under B, and that is where PHR comes into the play, my lord. Grateful.
My lord, my submission is that the stage of
थोड़ा ना होते
Yes,
बस हो गई.
I'm obliged.
right.